Welcome to our video review of the Casio Vintage A158WA-1Q, a watch defined by its timeless utility. This watch effortlessly elevates modern style, allowing you to wear a true retro classic. Designed to fit your wrist perfectly, the size of this watch is comparable to the width of a standard credit card. Casio uses durable materials, including a stainless steel band and a chrome-plated resin case, all while maintaining a lightweight design of just 48 grams. With the integrated microlight, you can easily illuminate the screen to read the time, even in the dark. The screen displays essential data, and you have access to convenient features like a 1/100th second stopwatch, a daily alarm, and an auto calendar. Efficiency is key. The watch features a battery life of up to 7 years, so you will rarely need to worry about a replacement. For your convenience, the adjustable clasp ensures a comfortable fit, allowing you to easily size the band yourself. With thousands of positive buyer reviews and a competitive price, this watch offers truly unbeatable value. The Casio A158WA defines reliable utility, making it a smart choice for your daily needs.